First we'll open Play Store, then we'll type KineMaster. So click on install. So it will take some time to install. So let's check the review part. So you can see here some sample has been given, and if you will scroll down, we'll see the different ratings given by the reviewer. You can see here 4.3 rating has been given for this app. So there are some positive feedback and some negative feedback as well. So see all reviews is there. We'll click there, and we can see multiple reviews has been given here. So we'll go back for time being, and let's wait the installation completed. So it's almost done. Yes, so it's installing. Now click on OK, open, and then click on OK, then do not allow, or you can also give allow. Click on create. So there is 16 to 19, and the project name is also there. So we can give project name. I am giving as my first video editing test. So expect 16 is to 19, 19 is to 16 for TikTok, and 1 is to 1 is for Insta. So this you can use based on your requirement. There are the multiple other ratios we can use based on your requirement. Then for timing we am selecting 16 is to 19, then click on create, and then click on allow. Okay, so this is the interface. It will redirect to the media browser. So we'll see more demonstration on each and every options. For time being we are done with this tutorial one. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.